What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be installing some Go Fast parts on our 2017 Toyota Tacoma. So some of you guys may know that we just installed a turbocharger on our 2017 Toyota Tacoma. So I am really in the mood of making this thing look lighter, look faster, and all that good stuff. So today we're going to start with the mirror caps. This is what we are going to be installing on the Toyota Tacoma today. As you guys can tell, there is a super high gloss finish to it. This is really to protect it from UV rays, trees, branches, anything that you guys may come upon on the trails or even on road. On the back, it has double-sided sticky tape on it. So this install is going to be super easy. Pretty much on all 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacomas will come with color match mirrors with the turn signals built in. So first off, what we want to do is clean the existing or factory mirror caps. So what I have here, some isopropyl alcohol. I put a spray nozzle on top so I can just easily use it like this. We're just gonna wipe it a couple times, just get it as clean as possible. That way our mirror caps, the carbon fiber ones, can stick and have something to adhere to and really grab onto. Then grab the correct side. So this would be the passenger side, as this section right here is for the turn signal. So once we have that, we can flip it over, start peeling off the red backing of the double-sided tape. Once we have all the red pulled off of the carbon fiber mirror caps, we can now apply it to the factory mirror caps. So what we're going to do is we just want to make sure it lines up properly all the way to the edge. And then we can lay it down. Once you have it semi where you want it, don't push it down yet. Make sure that the edges and everything are straight. Pull it over as far as needed, and then pull this part up as far as needed. And then make sure this side is as far over as possible as well. Once you have it pretty much where you want it, then you can apply pressure. Do this for about 15-30 seconds just to make sure it really sticks really well. And today's a pretty warm day outside, so the truck is definitely not cold, because you don't want to install this when it's cold, because tape or any adhesive really does not like to stick to anything that's cold. So there we have it. That's super easy install. You guys can tell there, looks pretty dang good. From this side of the mirrors, you can clearly see that the paint on the factory color is showing, but that's okay, because that's really hard to hide that without making a complete replacement for the factory mirror caps. But this way, the install is super easy, and really on the front side, where most people will see the mirror caps anyways, this is all covered. You don't see any of the paint from the front side of it. So from here, has a nice sleek. It feels super smooth, and the quality on it is actually super high. All right, guys, there we have it. A super easy install. And now the Tacoma looks a little bit faster, even though it's actually not, but it does look cool. So let me know what you guys think about this modification. I will have the link to this product down in the description if you guys want to pick one up for your Tacoma. But that's going to be it for this video, guys. We will see you guys later. Peace.